This is a triple expansion steam engine for a boat. Triple means that the steam starts in the smaller diameter cylinders that you can see on the left, and then gradually makes its way to the medium-sized cylinder, and then to the right on the larger diameter. Here is some documentation about the engine. Beautiful piece of machinery.
May I have your attention, please? The museum and gift store will be closing in 5 minutes. Once again, the museum and gift store will be closing in 5 minutes. Thank you.
Well, you got the message. That may be the end of the video.